ಬಿ ಮಂಜುಳಾಸ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. Hi, hello. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. To make Dalgona coffee recipe, the ingredients are sugar 2 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoon of hot water, 1 cup of milk, 4 ice cubes. Let me take one bowl, add coffee powder, add sugar, then add water, mix it well till it becomes thick.
Storybox Audio.
After 10 minutes, the paste has become thick. Take a glass, add few ice cubes, and add milk. At the top, add the Dalgona mixture.
Storybox Audio.
Next, sprinkle with coffee powder. Now the Dalgona coffee is ready to taste. Like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.